My name is Nosipho Kholutsoane from Manfletcher. Here around, they used to call me the mother of the broken cars. I'm very, very happy today. Very, very, very happy. Especially when I'm driving my favorite car. I'm happy. I was looking another show in the TV, so I became impressed in these cars. And I love vintage cars, are strong and unique. I restore them. Sometimes I get in shows. People hire from the events. Some I sell them. I don't have so much equipment, especially the chroming machine. I'm using grinder. I'm removing the rust here now. Yes, I'm removing the rust. By night, when the rain falls, the rust is there again, and I start afresh. Here around, sometimes they tell me in a negative way, you are just wasting time with these cars. We are mad, we are crazy. You see, when I finish the Pontiac, they do come. Some other ones they say, no, just continue. It's perfect. My first car, and it's taken me 2 years to restore it. It's a unique car, and it's an old car. Yes, that's why I love it so much. Yes, it's special because of the pedals inside there. They are unique pedals. So that's why I love it a lot. I bought a Pontiac 1947. I test myself there. So after I see that, I know I'm strong. So I collect so many cars in order to continue my business. My husband teach me how to do lot of things here.
Petrol blockade. It's not difficult because this thing got a side valve engine, no ECU, nothing on these cars. So it's not so tricky. So I used to wake up early in the morning and sit down here, look around, how this world is so beautiful. It's like a dream when you look at the old car. It's like you're dreaming or you are in another place maybe. May I make an example like New York? When you look at New York, it's a nice place, you see, got a lot of things here. When I'm sitting here around our cars here at the company, hey, my man, I'm getting happy. If you want to say how beautiful is the world, look at the vintage cars. I'm very, very proud. I'm blessed by God that I used to pray God to give me a lady like that one, you see. Now I've got it from God. Yeah.
My vision is to keep the legacy of these cars and the history of those heroes who built this car. And secondly, I want to spread skills, especially here from the youth of Manfletcher and South Africa, because they are sitting at home doing nothing. I've got a small boy with 10 years. He used to take my pliers there and fixed his small cars here. They are very interested in this business.
I thought she was going crazy, but then because I realized that it was a unique business, it was a good business for her, and then we gained a lot of knowledge of what we didn't know before. So yes, I do imagine myself in this kind of an industry.
If you haven't got a dream, you can't restore the car. If you've got no vision, you can't restore this thing because it's a combination of things. Right. And a passion, if you bought the car already, if you've got no passion, you can leave this thing halfway. I live this thing, I love this thing. It's inside my heart. I'm gonna die with the old cars, I'm gonna die with vintage, I'm not gonna change my mind there with this thing. It's not heavy.
I want to have more and more cars and big shelters so that I can hire many youth especially youth.